right click, add this component, place by pick, same component change to different component, hide this part 2, hide, right click curve, lower cover, hide, assembly, connect this face and assembly, connect, select this face and select this concentric, align, change to align, apply, select this face and select this to connect, activate this button, right click, edit reference feature, 30°, 40, this change to 9 and OK. So there are different components, these are same component. Double click to activate, double click to activate. So double click to activate the main assembly. Next, I will add new component, right click, hide other, assembly, add new part, name it as screen, save on assembly UCS, then OK. Get the sketcher, select this face, add reference, select this endpoint and this point, draw a rectangle, connect to these 2 points, then OK. Solid extrude 1.5, OK.